Nice work. Power to you, Vodafone.
So 66 runs left this morning. Sri Lankans have played well, pretty aggressively. 67 minutes of play. 100 boundaries. Taking the attack to the Australians who now have Ben Hilfenhaus off the field. Some sort of side strain, possible strain. So far, Mitchell Starc hasn't looked to be lining up well. Sybil's bowled a good first spell. Now the captain.